Meaning of IED.
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 IED. IED stands for Improvised Explosive Device. It refers to a homemade bomb that is created and deployed in an irregular or unconventional fashion, often by insurgents or terrorists. These devices are often constructed of easily accessible materials and can be triggered in a variety of ways, such as remote detonation or tripwires. IEDs have become a major threat to military and civilian personnel alike, causing significant casualties in conflicts around the world. Due to their unpredictable nature, IEDs remain a difficult challenge for security forces tasked with identifying and neutralizing these deadly devices.